Good night everyone. I'm Thufail from 1MRK 5 at State Polytechnic of Malang. And today I'm going to show you how to learn the basic of AutoCAD, like making a line or something like this. And the first thing that you need to do is create a new project like this. So the AutoCAD will provide us the model or the workspace. So for the basic knowledge, this is title bar, and this is the menu bar. There's so many chances that we can do it more, and then this is the toolbar, the extent of the menu bar. The first thing that we need to know that there's many options that we can do in AutoCAD if we want to make a shape or make a line. The first thing is click on the menu bar on the icon like this, so we can draw it, and then like this. So and then the second choice is you can type it. You can type the comment that you want. I want to give you some example, like if you want to draw a line, like just like type the L, and then yeah, you can draw a line today. And then if you want to close the line, if you want to take another choices or move to another chance, you can type escape or enter. So here we are. And then if you want to delete it, you can click delete on your keyboard. So the first thing that we need to learn, I'm going to show you how to make a line. Like before, you can type the icon of the line. So the first thing that you need to do is specify the first point. So you want to draw on this point or on this point on your model. So it's up to you. And then you click on the mouse, like tap on your mouse like this, and then you can type the measure that you want, like 100 maybe. And so here we go, and then click escape. So now we make a line, and then also you can make line with a comment, like type L, and then the AutoCAD will show you the comments, and then you can click enter. So now specify the first point like before, and then you can type 100. So it's done. And then you can make line today. So the second things that I'm going to show you is how to make a polyline. The difference between line and polyline is like when you draw something by line, it will be separate each other. But if you draw by polyline, you can the line will be in group, or maybe constant. So I'm going to show you how to make a polyline. Also when you draw a polyline, you can draw by arch. You can draw arch on there, and you can combine with line again. So okay, we will try the polyline first. Like the first one, you need to specify the first point. Type your mouse like this, and then you can measure how long that you want, maybe 100, and then like this maybe 50, and then 100 again, And if you want to draw an arch, so you can tap on this one, on the arc, or maybe you can tap on the command type by A, like this, so the arc will be shown by the AutoCAD. And then second thing that we need to do is type CE or center to type out the radius. So point the mouse in here at the end, and then type CE, or you can type the center in the command and then click enter. Then you can measure how's the radius of the arc, maybe 70.7, and yes, you can draw the arch now. So defaultly this is counterclockwise. If you want the arc is on the different directions, so you need to hold control, okay, control until it finish like this. And then if it was like if the arc is like what you want, so just hold control and tap on your mouse like one click here. Okay, so you have made an arc with polyline. And then if you want to continue, just like before, you can type CE or click at center, and then you measure how's the radius, maybe 75.0, and you did it, just like this. It's easy, right? And then for finish the draw, you can tap escape or enter. Okay. And then for the third one, maybe we can, oh yeah, forget, sorry, we also make a polyline by two choices, by using the polyline icon in the menu bar, or type PL is a shortcut for polyline, like this. Yeah, I want to make another one, so like this, then type CE and it is reserve. Okay. I've did it, and then click. So basically you have done with your polyline. Also when you want to close the object, I'll show you the examples, how to change the arc into the line again. You can type L, okay, so like this. If you want to close the polyline, just type C or close. You can press the close also in the command, but I'm going to show you how to close the polyline by command. So like this. It won't be separate. It make it shape. It will be shape. Okay. So the third thing that I'm gonna show you how to make it. We're gonna draw a circle like this. There are so many chances that we can do it by the circle, like center radius. You can draw a circle by typing the radius, and then center diameter. You can draw a circle by typing the diameter. Also, to point is like the draw circle between the lines, between two lines, and then 3 point. It's same. It's literally same with the 2 point, but the 3 point is you can draw a circle between 3 points. So I'm going to show you how to make it. The first one is center radius. So Like before, you must to specify the first point, maybe on this point, and then you can type the radius, maybe 4 to 5. Yes, you've done with it. Also, you can draw circle by radius with the shortcut. You can type C. It will be shown. The comment will be shown the circle. And then you can enter. Then type the specify point. 45. Sorry. Okay, you have done with it. And then you can draw the circle by center diameter mode. Also specify the first point and then type the diameter, maybe 90. Yeah, you did it. And then how to make the 2-point and 3-point circle. Like we need to draw a line first, maybe like this. So like this and like this. Sorry. This is for the 3-point and then for the 2-point. Okay. If you want to draw the 2-point, just tap on the icon and then click the 2-point. Sorry. Yeah, so you need to specify the first point that you want of the line. Click here, and then the second point on the another line like this. So you have drawn the 2-point circle, and then for the 3rd-point circle, it's like it's similar like before. So you need to specify the first point, second point, and the 3rd point. Then you have done with it. And then I'm gonna show you the basic, the last basic of the AutoCAD. Maybe you can draw a rectangle like this. So like before, you need to specify the first point like this. It will be shown in your model, and then you can type the length of each side of your rectangle, maybe 100. And if you want to move to another point to measure you want to move to another measure to another side, you can tap comma on your keyboard and then type 100 again if you want to draw a rectangle. So you have drawn it. And then yeah, it's like a similar thing. 100, 150. So before you move to another point, you need to type comma on your keyboard, and done it. And then this is the basic of AutoCAD. We have to draw 1, 2, 3, and 4 shapes in AutoCAD. So thank you for watching my videos, and see you later in another tutorial. Bye.